So anyway, that's your socket. But I just thought, can I go that one step further? This is not a very good ratchet. It's just an inexpensive ratchet. It's all right. It's actually all right, to be honest with you. You know, when I was a kid, I didn't have decent tools. My mate Colin Knott, when I was about 22, actually gave me a 10mm snap-on spanner. I've treasured that because we had no money, and you know, for us to have these tools, they're just so far out of reach as far as I was concerned. But my old mate Colin, he gave me that. Anyway, so when these things used to go wrong, I used to take them apart and repair them myself. So I've got a bit of a knowledge on what they look like. Now inside here, you've got a big cog that goes around. Not preaching to you, I'm just telling you what I've done. You've got a big cog around there. It goes in there. That lever pushes two plates over, because inside you've got this lozenge shape that is in the middle of there. So when you click that over for tighten up, that pushes this plate over here to engage that on a cog. That's for tightening up. When you undo it, flick it back over, back down to there, and that disengages it back that way, so that plate hits on that cog there. So it's quite clever stuff, but the hard bit with these is that you've got these big springs inside there to keep the tension, so that when you're doing this from left to right, that's what throws it over. Now, I'm no engineer, I'm not no clever rascal, but I did say to you, I'm going to try and make one of these. Obviously, I can't make it work, it's just too small. But what I've done is I've made a torque wrench, and that's the adjuster, that end. This is 18 karat yellow gold. But I'm lying to you. I've made it in platinum. And you know what? This is where you need your silence. So I'll mute the music and get some of this. Because for me, I think this is up there with probably one of the best things I've done so far. Now, I hope you've all got that peace and quiet that I asked you to try and do if you can. Because you put the little ratchet on there. Ready for this? Don't know if you can hear it, but if I switch it to the left, can you hear it? And then you switch it to the right, and the little bugger undoes. Now how bad's that? That's all platinum.